How to fix startup repair could not repair your PC in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are not able to fix the startup repair could not repair issue, so here are some of the solutions that you can try on. So for this, first of all, you have to click on troubleshoot, and then on this option you have to click on advanced options. Once you do so, you will land to this page which says advanced options. From there, select on command prompt. Doing so will open the command prompt on your screen. Now here are some of the commands that you need to keep on. The commands has been mentioned on the description box. The very first one would be the file or config file checker, boot record fix boot, boot record rebuild the BCD, and check disk. Make sure to copy each of this command and run it. It might take a while. Once it has been completed, type in exit and you can continue. However, if this does not solve your problem, you can jump into the next solution. For this, from the advanced option, go to the option called as startup repair. Once you click on startup repair, you land to this page. From here, you can either select disable early launch anti-malware protection and restart the computer. If this works, you can continue with using the Windows. However, if it does not, click on disable automatic restart on system failure. This should probably work on the display. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.